So let's log into our WordPress account. Hopefully all of you have created this WordPress account. If not, you can create this account by signing in. And I have already created account for my class. So when we log in, I assume that you have created the account. So this is the first screen when we log into the account, and it shows, if I see this menu here, this W sign, this is equivalent to the home sign. So wherever you are going, if you just click this, you come to this screen back. So in the reader, you can view the blogs, you can view the contents of the blogs you are following. So WordPress allows you to follow the contents of other blogs, and you can read those contents here. This is equivalent to the Google Reader. If any one of you has tried, Google Reader is used to read the RSS feeds from the other sites. So the next thing is the stats. To me, it's very important because you can see the performance of your blogs, that how many viewers are actually viewing your blog. So you can see this traffic stats for your blog. Here you can see for a particular day that on April 21 you had 20 views and 9 visitors. Of course you want to see more and more here, and this shows you the My Blog section. You can create as many blogs as you want. I have created only one blog for our class, Computer Engineering 2K12. Of course you can create a new blog at any time, and it's absolutely free. And the procedure is the same, that you select a name for your blog, and definitely maybe anything you can write here, maybe Hafiz Atif .wordpress.com, since you are of our class. So you can create your blog in this way. You can of course type your name, the blog of your name here, and as we discussed that when we choose our blog name, we always consider the role of Google in our blog, that how Google find our blog. So this blog name should be most relevant to the content of our blog. So you can create your blog here. So if I just go back, and so I assume you can create your blog here. Definitely when you sign in, you will not have this blog, and you will be having just this line, create a new blog, and you click and you create your own blog. And this freshly pressed, this actually shows the contents of other blogs. You can follow any blog on this WordPress, and it also recommends you the blogs. For example, you go to books and you see the blogs that are relevant to the books. Similarly, you can go to other categories like travel or other things. It's your choice. So with the recommended blogs, you can WordPress actually suggests you the blogs that it assumes you should follow. Similarly, you can find friends on this WordPress blog website. This will show you the friends who are using this blogging platform. For example, here you have to connect through your social account, maybe Twitter account, Facebook account, or a Google account. For example, if I just want to see about my friends on this WordPress, yeah, this is one of my friend. He is included in my Facebook. So you can see your friends who are blogging already on the WordPress. Similarly, so you can with this freshly pressed you can view the contents of other blogs, and definitely you can explore the topics of your interest, maybe anything, politics in Pakistan, for example. So I hope you can experiment with these things. So if we go back, and the last thing here, that you can choose the settings. This gives you your username, your associated email address, the web address, and your country code. And these are actually for your account recovery. If in any case you forgot your password, then this mobile number they may send you some code, and with this code you can recover your blog. So you can make settings about your account. You can set your password, security settings, how public profile, that how you what public will be viewing about you, and my apps. My apps is of course an important thing, but at this point we will not be discussing, because there are many. Once we have gone through all of our WordPress.com and WordPress.org experience, then we will be discussing about my apps, the apps which we can incorporate into our blog. But at this point, it's important to know that with these apps, we actually want to have more functionality in our blog or in website, and we will be incorporating functionality into our blog or website by using widgets, plugins, or my apps or apps. This apps option is also available in Facebook, and there also these apps are designed to include some additional functionality into the Facebook. So this kind of possibility exists in WordPress as well. So I hope you see you have created account, and you have viewed all these options. And now we will go to our blogs, and we will go to this blog admin area.